Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you how to fix no SIM card error. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, then open your dial box and dial here star hash 4636, then hash star and open a window like this. Click on the phone information. Now scroll down and check the mobile radio power and enable for few minutes. After few minutes again enable this option and check the problem again. If this method is not working, then next is scroll down and 3 or 4 times enable aeroplane mode and restart your phone. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is go to your mobile setting and scroll down and go to the system updates and check for updates. If any update is available, then update it. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.